Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're doing another Lego Polybag build along, and in this case, it's going to be for set 30303, and this is the Joker bumper car set. Now, if you are interested in this particular set, I'll include links in the description where you can find it on Amazon or Bricklink, and also the brick set page for this if you want to check out the parts, etc. And while I'm thinking about it, if you enjoyed this kind of video and you want to see more Lego Polybag build-alongs, I'm planning on doing these one a day for the foreseeable future. So please subscribe and hit the notifications button, and you'll get notified every day whenever I post the next one. Alright, so let's open this thing up and take a look. I'm thinking this is going to be a relatively simple set, because it seems like when they give you a minifig, especially one like the superhero minifigs, they tend to not have a lot of pieces with them. Alright, so let's take a look. So we got a pie, and we got the Joker. So we'll take care of the Joker first. We'll put him together. We have like kind of the smirky Joker, and we have the full-on Joker face Joker. So we are going to go with full-on Joker, and then give him his green hair. He doesn't really look like the Jared Leto Joker, does he? He's less, you know, insane clown posse than that. Alright, so we got that. We'll give him his pie. I'm assuming this is not a happy pie. This is one of those, you know, not good for you acid poison Joker pies. Alright. So that's him taken care of. Now what we gotta do is we gotta put together, and actually this looks like a decent number of pieces. I was expecting not so much, since we're getting a Joker figure, but maybe the bumper car actually has something to it. It doesn't have an enormous set of instructions, mind you, but there's a few steps. Alright, so let's see. I got this piece, and I can tell you though, the Joker has a distinct color scheme to him, doesn't he? And the pieces kind of reflect that. Alright, so we got these, and then the two yellow pieces, like so. So we got those, and then two more yellow pieces on the front, and then we're going to need the steering wheel. And we got a steering wheel. Man, it's been a long time since I've seen one of these steering wheels. I remember these from the old days. Alright, so we got a steering wheel. And then the little clip goes on the back. I'm assuming this is going to be for our giant antenna. That'll probably go on last. Alright, so we got that. And then we're going to put these on. Like so. Alright. Next, we're going to put what I'm guessing is supposed to be like the fenders or the bumpers for our bumper car. And so that takes care of that there. And then the other side. Alright, the other side. And one in front. We got that. Then we flip it over, and we put these two in the middle, like so. Oh, it's going to kind of have wheels? That's interesting. So, I'm going to clip these on before I do it to make it easier on me. And that's these pieces, right? This one and this one. I guess this is to make it sort of roll. And then they clip on right here. It actually does roll. That's kind of clever. Alright. So we got those. And then we're putting on the bumpers. So for the bumpers, it's going to be, we're going to need 2 of these. So we got that and that. And then we have this goes there, and this goes here. I tell you what, I'm a little impressed with this little set. I was expecting it to be kind of crappy. Alright, so then we have 2 of these headlights facing inward. So 1 and 2. Line those up, and then 1 and 2. Like so. Alright. And then we put, this goes here. So we got that. And then this one goes here. We got that. So we got these 2. And then they go on the front. So they go here and here, which is cool. Alright. That is pretty neat looking. And then we take one of these and 2 of these. And this is going to give us the side bumpers. Alright, you know, this is much more clever than I was expecting it to be. Alright, so you got that there. I like the fact that it actually rolls and it kind of looks like it's a bumper car. Alright, so we got that there and that here. So this is the bumper car part. And then we're going to need... Did I miss something? Ah, yeah. I did miss something. I forgot to put the blue pieces on. So, we got a blue piece here. And a blue clip here. I was trying to figure out when we were going to get to the spoiler on the back. So we got that and that, which you missed the first time through. And then we flip it over. Alright, so this goes down here, so it kind of looks like it's a seat. And then we have the spoiler on the top. And then we attach the antenna right here. And then Joker gets in the car. Alright. This is much neater than I was expecting it to be. And it does actually roll. Alright, that's kind of cool. I wasn't expecting the wheels. Or the not wheels, the almost wheels. And there's just barely enough, so it looks like it does kind of simulate the hovering. I like the way it looks. That's kind of cool. I was really expecting it to be just sort of crappy. Anyway, let me know what you think. Are you a fan of the Joker bumper car? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if there are any sets, any polybags you think I should check out, you can let me know down there as well. Or if I've missed anything terrible, like where on earth does this one piece go? I'm assuming this is the extra piece we got. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.